The personal directory allows you to store your contacts. For each contact, you can enter a first and last name, a nickname is required, an email address, as well as multiple contact phone numbers. The personal directory can be searched by first or last name or by nickname. When the contact is found, the option to dial the contact is offered. To access the personal or corporate directory, you need to press the Fix Contacts button. The display will bring you to the Contacts menu where you can choose either the personal directory or the corporate directory by using your navigation bar to highlight the desired directory. To access the personal directory, use the navigation bar and highlight the menu option called Personal Directory. Press the round Select button to enter the menu. The display will ask for Personal Directory Login. Please see your system administrator to find out your user ID and PIN. When you have this information, to log in, you will use the dial pad to enter in the digits or the characters as desired for your user ID. Then arrow down to your PIN and enter in your PIN information, then press Submit. Once you are logged into the personal directory, you can access your personal address book. Use the navigation bar to highlight the menu item called Personal Address Book. Then press Select either in your soft keys or use the round button to select the menu item. Once you are in your personal address book, the display will request you can search for an entry either by last name or first name, simply by moving the cursor to the appropriate field you wish to enter. Use the dial pad to enter in the correct information, then press Submit. To search all entries in your personal address book, rather than searching by last name or first name, simply press Submit. If you have any entries, the first entry will be shown. If you don't have any entries, such as the first time you enter, your display will say No entries. There are no entries in your address book that meet your search criteria. And you will be given the soft key option labeled New. Press New, and your display will ask you to enter in the information. Use the dial pad to enter in the particular name that you would like to store for the first name, and then arrow down to the last name and enter in that particular information. Then arrow down again, and you can enter in a nickname for that person. And then arrow down again, and you can even enter in their email. If you would like to enter in their phones or phone numbers, press the soft key labeled Phones. You have the option to enter in their home number, or you can use your cursor to arrow down to their work number or their mobile number. Use your dial pad at any of these entries to enter in the phone number and then press Submit. And your display will say a new entry has been successfully created. If at any time you would like to log out of your personal directory, with your handset in the cradle and your phone in the idle state, press your Fixed Contacts menu button. The display will bring you to the Contacts menu, and Personal Directory should be highlighted. Press the Select button. The display will bring you to the Select Application menu, and Personal Address Book will be highlighted. Using the navigation bar, scroll to the menu item called Log Out. When Logout is highlighted, press the Select button. The display will ask you, press OK to log out, and logging out will be highlighted. There is an OK in the soft key. Press that button to log out. At this point, you will be logged out, and your display will be asking you to log back in again if it is desired.